Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow Exodus Business Development to learn more. How do you create a seed phrase? A seed phrase, or recovery phrase, is a set of 12 to 24 randomly generated words that serves as the master key to your cryptocurrency wallet. It allows you to recover your wallet and funds if your device is lost, stolen, or damaged. Here's how to create a secure seed phrase. Step 1. Use a trusted wallet. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency wallet, e.g., SafePal, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Ledger. These wallets generate seed phrases during the wallet setup process. Step 2. Generate the seed phrase. 1. Install and open the wallet app or software. 2. Create a new wallet and follow the setup instructions. 3. The wallet will generate a random 12 to 24 word seed phrase using an algorithm based on the BIP39 standard. 3. This ensures the words are unique and securely generated. Step 3. Write it down. 1. Write the seed phrase down exactly as shown, in order. 2. Do not save it digitally, e.g., screenshots or text files, as it could be hacked. Step 4. Store securely. 1. Store the phrase in a safe, offline location, such as a fireproof safe or etched on metal plates for durability. 2. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. 2. Whoever possesses it can control your funds. Step 5. Test recovery, optional. To ensure the phrase works, reset your wallet and restore it using the seed phrase. By following these steps, your seed phrase will be secure, ensuring full control over your crypto wallet. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow Exodus Business Development to learn more.